Hi guys, you might have seen the video where I bought this in a charity shop, specifically because that label interested me. No motor, hand play only. I thought it was very unlikely they'd taken the motors out, so I had a look inside. Motors are there. What's missing is the hand controller. It's a 2.4 gigahertz toy, and none of my 2.4 match with it, but I have got this little 27 megahertz controller. So what I'm going to do is take it apart, stick that in there and give it a little run round. We should even be able to link up those LEDs to the LEDs that are in there. The main thing we will lose is this one actually has sound effects when it's switched on. Oh, I've left it switched on. That's not good. Yeah, it has sound effects that when the guy's ejected, he shoots out like that and he screams. So we'll lose that because that won't be on that board. But I won't bore you with me disassembling it and that because I've already done a disassembly of it. It's only a matter of undoing 5 screws, and then we'll swap the receiver and see if we can get it working on 27 megahertz. Right, that's the existing receiver, tiny little thing. But I think we've got enough space up in there for that one to fit in there. I mean, there's not a lot of difference, but there's no way that will physically fit right there. We've got to watch out for these levers and that. So we don't want this to be actually sticking in the way of them. Anyway, I'll get on and do some soldering. All done. Got the lights working. Took me much longer than I expected because that receiver didn't like running off just 3 AAA batteries. So I've actually got a small LiPo battery sitting inside. But let's just demonstrate. A little bit overpowered now because I've got LiPo in there. Doing wheelies. In reverse because the drive wheels are at the front and the steering's at the back. So we got it working. That was the purpose of the exercise. I've also got it working on 2 different controllers. I haven't actually screwed the top back on, it's just sitting there. As you can see. Yeah, okay, well, let's just have a little look at it so you can see what I've done. So I've got a small LiPo in there. I say small, although that's a 3-cell LiPo, it's actually all in parallel, so it's only 4.2 volts. And there's our receiver just sitting in there. And as I say, I've wired up the LEDs to run off the LED positions that were on the receiver. So yeah, it works. I think I'll just save it for bits. Won't be attempting to give it back to a charity shop or anything, because having modified it like that, nobody else is going to be able to make use of it. Job done.
Hey,
Thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.